Hello, welcome to your eye exam. I'm just gonna have a feel of your eyes. Do you feel any pain? Okay, don't let me open them. Don't let me open them. Don't let me open them. Okay, I'm just gonna bring a light into your eyes. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, close your eyes. Do you see the light? Good, close your eyes, close your eyes. Do you see the light? Do you see the light? Okay, perfect. I'm just gonna take a look. I'm just gonna take a look. I'm just gonna take a look. I'm just gonna take a look at your eyes. I'm just gonna take a look at your eyes. Okay, can you roll your eyes? Roll your eyes. Just follow the light. Follow the light. Roll your eyes. Roll your eyes. Good, 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 good. Okay, awesome. So I am gonna have you take a look through this. Okay, just take a look through there. And do you see the light passing through? Good. What about now? Okay, do you see the light passing? Okay, now I'm gonna have you tell me how many times you see the light passing through within a matter of 2 seconds. Okay, how many times did you see it? Okay, what about now? How many times did you see it there? Okay, what about now? We're just gonna change it up. Do you see the flashing light? Okay, tell me when the flashing light passes through the green. Okay, tell me when it passes through. Tell me when it passes through. Okay, perfect. Tell me when the donut passes through. Tell me when the donut passes through. Good, what about now? All right, and then when the fries pass through. When the fries pass through. When the fries pass through. Okay, all right, now I'm gonna hold it. Do you see it? Okay, what about now? Okay, do you see it now? Okay, tell me when you see the fries. Good, how about now? Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna have you tell me. Okay, I'm gonna have you tell me what colors you see. Okay, so what color is this? Good, what color is this? Okay, what color is this? And this? Perfect, what color is this? What color is this? Okay, we're gonna do the quick Snellen chart test. Okay, what letter is this? And what about this? What about this? What letter is this? Okay, what about this? What letter is this? Good, what letter is this? What letter is this? Okay, what about this? Can you read this bottom line for me? Can you read this? What letter is this? Can you name something that starts with an E? Okay, name something that starts with a C. Okay, name an animal that starts with an F. Ooh, that's a tough one. Name an animal that starts with an H. Okay, what color is this? What color is this? Okay, which circle is the smallest? This one, or this one? Okay, which one's the biggest? This one, this one, this one, this one? This one? Okay. All right, so quick color vision test again. What color is this? Good. What color is this? Good. What color is this? Good. What color is this? Okay, and what color is this? What color is this? Okay, perfect, perfect. So I have a couple of cards here I want to show you. Okay, tell me what you see. Good. Oops. Good. Okay, and how many airplanes? Okay, good. How many balls do you see? Okay, all right. And what is this? Good. How many strawberries? Good. How many dots? Okay, what is this? Okay, perfect. And how many soccer balls? Okay, perfect. All right, and what is this? And what is this? Okay. All right, now we're going to move on to just seeing if you can feel that on your eyes. Can you feel that? Okay, do you see the light passing through? Okay, good, 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 good. How does that feel? What does that feel like on your eyes? Does it hurt at all? Okay, it's just scratching it a little bit. No problem, no problem. Okay, can you tell me what colors these are? What colors do you see? Okay, what about now? What colors do you see now? What about now? What colors do you see? What colors do you see here? Okay, and what colors are they rolling on now? What about now? What about now? Okay, all right, so I'm going to have you look at my nose. Good, good, good. Tell me when you see the fingers coming into your vision. Okay, and tell me again. Look at my nose, look at my nose. Tell me when you see them leaving your vision. Good, how about now? And how about now? All right, so do you see this? Do you see this? Okay, so I'm going to try to have you focus on this and just ignore whatever else I am doing to your face, okay? So just ignore whatever else I am doing to your eyes, I mean, not your face, okay? So just ignore that, Okay, do you feel that? Okay, good. Is that sharp or dull? Okay, what about this? On your eyes, is that sharp or dull? Is this sharp or dull on your eyes? Okay, what about that? What about that? Is that sharp or dull? Sharp or dull? Sharp or dull? Okay, what about this? What about this? What about this? Okay, perfect. All right, can you tell me what color this is? What color is this lemon? Good. What color is this lemon? What color is this lemon? Good, 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 good. Okay. Now, can you follow the yellow lemon with your eyes? Follow the yellow lemon with your eyes. Good, 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 good. Okay, so at some point, I am going to have you follow the pink lemon with your eyes, okay? So go ahead and do that now. Try to keep up if you can. Okay? Perfect, 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 perfect. Now follow the yellow one again. Follow the yellow one again. Good, good, good. All right, now actually, can you look at the green? Can you look at the green? Focus on the green. Okay, just focus on the green. Good, 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 good. Focus on the yellow. Focus on the yellow. Focus on the yellow. Focus on the yellow. Okay, tell me which lemon is closest to your face. Which color is closest to your face? What about now? Which one's closest to your face? Okay, how about now? Okay, and look at the green and ignore the yellow. Good, good. Look at the green, look at the green, look at the green. Just ignore the yellow. Just ignore the yellow. Look at the green. Perfect. Look at my nose. Look at my nose. Look at my nose. Okay, perfect. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Good. What is this? What is this? Good. Can you follow the fries with your eyes? And ignore the watermelon. Ignore the watermelon. Ignore the watermelon. Okay, good, good, good. Look at the fries. Look at the fries. Look at the fries. Ignore the watermelon. Ignore the watermelon. Look at the fries. Look at the fries. Ignore the watermelon. Good, 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 good. Okay, now we are going to do a solid light or flashing light test. Okay, so that is a flashing light, and so is this. Which flashing light is brighter? This one or this one? This one or this one? Perfect, okay. Is this a flashing light or a solid light? Good. How about this? Flashing or solid? Flashing or solid? Okay, what about this? Okay, and what about this? Flashing or solid? Okay, now do you see them both? Okay, now can you follow the flashing light and ignore the solid light? Follow the flashing and ignore the solid. Good, good, good. Now look at the solid, look at the solid, and ignore the flashing. Look at the solid and ignore the flashing. Good, good, good. Now follow the light for me. Good. Can you look at this corner over here? Okay, and look at this corner over here. Okay, don't get distracted. Just look right here. Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. Okay, look right here. Look right here. Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. Okay. All right. How many dots do you see? How many dots do you see? Or what number do you see? What number do you see? Good. What number do you see? What number do you see? Good. What number do you see? All right. What is 6 plus 1? Perfect. What is 3 plus 3? All right. Now I want you to tell me when you see the numbers matching. Like right now, we are seeing the numbers match. Okay. So are the numbers matching? Good. What about now? What about now? Okay. And are they matching now? Are they matching now? Okay. What about now? Are they matching? Matching? Okay, what about now? Are they matching? Are they matching? Are they matching? Okay, how many circles do you see? Just one or two or three? Okay, and what is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1. Okay. Follow the green square. Okay, follow the green square and ignore the orange. Follow the green, ignore the orange. Look at the orange, look at the orange, ignore the green, ignore the green. Ignore the green. Okay, now look at the green, look at the green, look at the green, ignore the orange. Okay, can you feel this on your eyes? How about this? How about this? How about this? Okay, we're gonna do another sharper dull test, this time with a brush. Okay, is that sharper dull? Perfect. How about that? Sharper dull? Sharper dull? Good, good, good. How about this? Sharper dull? Sharper dull. Okay, what about this? Sharper dull? Okay. And what about this? Sharper dull? And what about this? Sharper dull? Okay, sharper dull, sharper dull. All right, perfect. Can you feel this on your eyes? Do you feel that? Okay, do you feel this? Okay, and now I'm just going to be blowing warm air on your eyes. Do you feel that? Do you feel that? Okay, and we are going to do another quick little test right here. Do you feel that? That. Okay, and I'm going to do another really quick test. Just tell me if you feel this, okay? You should be feeling this on your eyes, so. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Okay. All right, can you tell me what color you see here? What color do you see here? What color? Good. Okay, and can you tell me what color the duck is? What color is the duck? What color is the duck? Okay, perfect. And we're going to do a quick test with markers. Okay, so I just want you to tell me what color markers you see. Okay, what color do you see? What color do you see? Good. What about now? What about now? What about now? What color? Okay, what color? What color? What color? What color? Okay, what about now? Okay, what about now? Okay, and what about now? Color do you see? Color do you see? Color do you see? Okay, do you see Gary? Do you see Gary? Just follow Gary. Follow Gary. Follow Gary, and ignore the pink lemon. Follow Gary. Ignore the pink lemon. Say hi to Gary. Say hi, 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 hi. Perfect. Okay. Now I do have this chicken that was on top of your head. I have no idea why it was there, but can you tell me what color the chicken is? What color is the chicken? What color is the chicken? Okay, can you feel this on your face? Can you feel this on your eyes? The chicken is just gonna chomp, 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 chomp on your eyeballs. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Okay, and can you tell me what this is? Okay. All right, what would you choose between burgers or fries if you had to choose? Burgers or fries? Burgers or fries? Okay, do you feel that? Okay, do you feel that? Do you feel this? Do you feel this? All right, you passed your eye exam. Thank you so much for coming in today.